As a supplier, when it comes to pricing our products, we like to think differently from other suppliers. Here's what we do and why we do it. Firstly, we don't post our prices on the site. As with each inquiry, we try and always get the best price possible. To get you the best prices, we get multiple factories to compete for your business. Oh. Yo, Charlie, what's up? What do you mean? I asked you to get me $1 less. I give you my best business and this is what you do? This is what you do? Look, I got two others that can build this for $1 less. If you're not gonna step up and be there, I'm done with you. I gotta be done. I gotta do what I gotta do for my customers. You know that. Just give me the deal, buddy. Call me back. I'm in the middle of something. Call me back. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Anyway, where was I? We can give you an approximate cost within a few minutes. But to give you the most accurate cost requires us to get a factory price quote, which takes 12 to 24 hours. Pretty simple. When we quote you a price, that price always includes all costs, freight, duties, and logo direct from the factory floor delivered to your door. So you see, by not putting the prices on the site, it actually is a benefit for the promo professional. You get a complete all-in-one price, you get the best possible pricing, and you have an experienced team who will look after the order every step of the way. Sorry. What? Okay, I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't know it was you. Hi, we still on for 6?